Hello friends, how are you? Today I am going to make a paper wallet and it looks like this. And this has 6 pockets. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Okay, now let's start. I have taken an A4 size of paper. Now I am going to fold it like this. And now you are looking at this line, folded line. And I am going to fold it like this. It is already folded. I am going to fold it like this. You can see these 4 lines. Now fold it like this. You have seen? Now fold this half an inch. This one too. And you can see this line. Fold this part into a rectangle. Triangle. Okay. Now in this side too. Same the other side. And here too. And fold it like this. Same here. Now turn it. You have to take a card and place it in the middle of the rectangle. Now you can see the lines. You have to fold it like this. And now this part too. Now keep this card back. Now you can see these 2 corners. Fold it. No, keep it here. Keep it like this. And your paper wallet is ready. And it has 6 pockets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Thank you.